Hey guys, Chris and Dunn Watson. Just want to show you a car that's going out this week. It's on an awesome blue cruiser which has a wrap, but as you can see it's actually raining at the moment. It's been raining all week, so this will give you a good idea of how all of our boxes seal. But when we run through the tray, as standard, you've got a 26 litre headboard tank built in. You've got your fuel filler relocated on one side and your water relocated on the other. All right, as standard, you also get your infill panels, your guards, and your drop down toolboxes. Now in this particular one, we've got an ARB dual compressor fitted in there with the tank. And as optional extras underneath, this customer's gone for a full length 1500 trundle drawer. So as standard, all the trundle drawers are fitted on our 227 locking slides, so they slide out and lock. They're going to take a heap of weight, and they all come with your compression lock, lift up lid on gas struts. And there we go, there's the rain coming again. You've got your tap here at the back for your gravity fed headboard tank. And then on this side, the customer's option to go for a slide out toolbox. So you can have one drop down and one slide out. So you've got your drawer type for your slide out there. All fitted with whale tail compression locks, so you can adjust the compression you're going to get on those. Rear ladder rack as well. It is a removable one, so it's just nice in the tray. You've also noticed that we've got uni-strut on the rear rack and the headboard, so if you're mounting an awning or anything like that, nice and easy to fit. And you've got your spare wheel carriers on your headboard. You can do one either side if needed. There you guys, a nice blackout tray on the 79 Cruiser. Cheers.